Hi, today I'm making hamburger patties with mushroom gravy, and I begin with 1 pound of ground hamburger meat, and I'm doing an eighth of a cup of white onion, a clove of garlic, and an eighth of a cup of green bell pepper. I'm also adding garlic powder as well as beefy onion Lipton soup. Now I've made some croutons, and so I'm just using a few of them. I like to add breadcrumbs. It just gives the hamburger patty a different texture. And I'm forming those patties, and then I'm setting them aside. Next, I'm going to clean my mushrooms and prepare those off screen. And the most important piece of this is making the mushroom gravy. And so I'm using the drippings from the cooked hamburger, and using about an eighth of a cup of flour. And I'm just going to cook the flour in the drippings. Next, I'm going to add about a cup and a half of water. Then I'm going to add my patties back into the gravy, as well as the rinsed and cleaned cut mushrooms. And I'm going to let that cook down. And so that's going to take about 15, maybe 20 minutes. I let it, sort of bubble up there, as you can see, and cook. And then you can cover it. But once it's done, it creates a rich brown sauce over hamburger patties. You can serve it over rice or potatoes or even noodles.